For a walk, I'm an Armageddon. Dropping your sword cause the time is near. Gotta do it big like Bon Iver. I'm a rock star on a chandelier. Off the walls, yeah, I'm about to go crazy. For the beast, anybody that can tame me. What a thrill, what seems to amaze me. And the forest of youth and the raven.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave and this is Boosted Addiction. So the Ford dealer just called me. My car's done, so we're gonna go over there. We're gonna go pick it up. A lot of you guys you know, that have been following what's going on. I'm now on my third motor in the car, so hopefully third time's the charm. I know they say that about your third wife. I don't know. I don't ever plan to get to my third wife, but I hope that applies to my car because I'm done dealing with this. So we're gonna go over right now. We're gonna pick it up. I'm only probably about maybe 10 minutes away. We're gonna pick it up and I'll try to shoot some video over there. All right, here we are. Let's get this car. And she is right up front. Oh, she looks good with the wheels on her. I didn't see it yet with the wheels because I bring the wheels up here. Oh, she looks good with the wheels. What's up, guys? Good morning. Don't mind me. I literally just woke up. So today we're going to go. We got the car back the other day, yesterday. Today we're going to go down and go down to my buddy's house and we're going to go put on the springs and the Corsa exhaust. And we're going to drop it 1 inch with some Steeda springs, lowering springs, linears. And we picked up some used Corsa Sportsback exhaust. We're gonna go put that stuff on. So stay tuned.
Alright, that's 1264. Any nickels and dimes?
Alright, so we're here. We're gonna drop this thing, get rid of this wheel well space. I'm gonna drop it 1 inch all the way around with some linear Steeda springs. The exhaust.
That's my whole caliper.
Yo, Jimmy.
Yeah.
Hey, brake cleaner. What? I think it's crazy. good morning. This is going to be a clip that's going to connect to last night's clips. But so we didn't get done last night until pretty late. I actually put the exhaust on the car, and I didn't have the right reducers to make it mount to the stock exhaust, so we put the stock pipes back on. Springs are on the car. It's the subscribers meet today. I'm gonna go to Walmart. I gotta get some, I don't have any car wash stuff because it's been so long since I had this car. Oh, we got all kinds of stuff. I'm on right by my seatbelt and stuff. So I'm gonna get some car wash stuff and come back, clean the car, and I'm actually going to try to shoot down to my buddy's shop and see if we can get the Corsa exhaust on before the meet. So stay tuned.
And then put the pipes up. Alright.
I'll tell you what, I did it at the shop. We had too many cars. We had a car on the lift. They had to stay up there. I did it on the shop yesterday on the ground. I pulled the old exhaust down. I had this exhaust up, and within a half hour, that's when I realized I had a problem. The stock exhaust comes down real easy. There's two brackets here. Undo the resonator, and it slides right off. One piece, exactly. Yep. And then when I put the X pipe there up in there, that's when I noticed I had the issue.
I mean, I could do it once as soon as I get done the Honda. I can bring it in. You got somebody on the Explorer.
That's fine. I'll wait.
Okay.
I'll hang out. I ain't got shit to do. It's fucking Saturday, you know what I mean?
You know, I'm thinking somewhere like 120 to 150, somewhere
Okay.
there. You know,
That's fair.
I just need to look at it, you know.
Yeah.
See exactly what needs.
I'll even fucking give him a hand wrenching because I've done 3 exhausts on this car. This is
under the insurance.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, something happened to you.
I'm insured myself. I got my own insurance.
Yeah, but yeah, it's a huge corporation.
Oh yeah, I know.
This place is. A lot of people don't know this place is like Walmart. They got like 10 names.
Oh,
10,
I know. Yeah, they're all over the place.
Yeah.
The problem is nowadays, man, with people and their cars, I just think people can't afford to fix them, and there's a lot of people who just don't give a fuck.
Yeah, well, they can't afford it.
Right, they can't afford it, and then yeah,
Economy's tough.
it's tough, man.
And it's getting worse. It's not like back in the day. Back in the day, you leave a job, at the end of the week, you have another job.
Oh yeah.
You know?
My girl
From
just
factory
landed
to
a job.
factory to plant to plant.
Yeah.
You know, it's
crazy.
It ain't no plant
And
to
you know-
factories no more. It ain't no plant.
Everything's shut down.
Yeah.
I grew up on Hart Lane. We moved out of there in '92.
Yeah.
And like when I was a child, you know, I grew up in the '80s. So when
Yeah,
I was
me too.
when I was a
I'm
baby,
from Seattle.
all the factories were pumping. Everybody
Yeah.
would come home from work. You hear the whistles blow.
Yeah,
Their
yeah.
lunchtime. The neighborhood was vibrant. And now
I just remember through the 90s when I was, you know, a young guy working. I remember if I didn't like a place, you know, fuck you.
Fuck you.
End of the week, I
right,
got
I
another
know
job
my
at
I
another
know
place.
my worth.
Yeah.
Right.
And it was like that. You could leave a job, at the end of the week, you got another job.
Right. Right.
Nah, not no more.
What's your name, Joe?
I'm Joe.
Dave. Nice to meet you,
Dave,
man.
nice to meet you, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's I don't know, man. I'm not real big about that. Our country is fucked up. I really I don't have favorites on, but I just hope Trump does the right thing and fixes our country. He's getting a lot of backlash.
I don't think they got no power, man. I think everything. I'm gonna tell you, everything with Obama and Trump, I tell people
Dude,
it was just a show to the public.
Yeah.
I tell people, I said the last 20 years, I said how we got people coming in the office talking about we're gonna make a, what did Obama say? We're gonna make a change.
Right.
Then we got Trump saying we're gonna make America great again.
Right.
I said
It's all selling dreams.
but it's like the same policies for the last 20 years. Since Bush, it's like the same
Right.
like the same leader.
Yeah,
It's like
everybody files suit.
It's nothing changing.
Yeah.
And I tell you, if it's the same policies
And you know what's-
and the same shit, that tells you that it's the same person running shit.
Right, right.
You know, it's not these different presidents.
It's all about the fucking dollar, man.
It is about
It's
the
everybody wants to fatten their pockets, and it's fucking sad because our country was great, dude, and it's still great, but it has issues like a lot of our policies and stuff, and like, you know, let's take for instance, I got a friend that owns a Dunkin' Donuts. He's Indian. He came over here, all right, great guy. He came over here, opened the Dunkin' Donuts, and we're talking. I said, you know what? I said, you know, I see a lot of you guys come over here and buy these Dunkin' Donuts. He said, you know why? Your country gives us 7 years tax-free. Woo, 7 years tax-free. They come here to, so, and you know what he did? After 7 years, he sold it to his cousin, bring his cousin over.
And
then
he
it
gets
kept-
7 years.
Yes, like, I mean, what kind of policy is that? Like, we're Americans. I'm busting my ass. You take me. Like,
That's crazy.
look, look, our country is all different races.
And it's crazy because that should
everything.
be for us.
Right.
You know?
Or if you're going to come here, you're going to get exactly what we get. You know what I mean? You got to do what we do. You know what I mean? Because, like, I'm first or second generation from Ireland. And a lot of everybody in this country, Indians were here.
Yeah.
Everybody here is from another country.
Yeah, yeah.
But when you come here, you need to, whatever. If I got to bust my ass, you can take 30% of my check. Why shouldn't he?
Yep.
You know what I mean?
Yep. I think more than 30%.
Yeah.
More than
Yeah, I know.
Shit.
I was being lenient.
How you doing?
Go over here to Wendy's and grab these guys a couple burgers. They're hooking me up. They're gonna do the exhaust. You're gonna pull it right in, so the least I can do is grab them a couple burgers, get them some fuel. Here we go, there's the exhaust. You get it on this bad boy. You're gonna put it on. We're gonna put it in the shop and put it on. Springs on it and the exhaust. Look at the stance. It looks absolutely amazing. It's like perfect. They're the Steeda linear springs, inch all the way around, and they're 20s. They're 20 by 10.5 on the front and 20 by 11.5 on the back. Some pretty big rims, but it looks really good. I'm really happy the way it turned out. Oh, look, I almost fell backwards. There we go. You see the quad tips? That's the Corsa Sport. I picked that exhaust up used in pretty much brand new condition. X pipes on there. I mean, it's just like, it's perfect. It looks really good. It's like perfect. Let's see if we can get a good shot. I'm happy. The exhaust sounds amazing. The ride is amazing. Handles a lot better. Definitely needs some sway bars though. A little bit of body roll. The body roll cut down a lot from what it was stock with the stock suspension, but it's still got a little bit. It would probably be fine for somebody who's, you know, just driving it, but I drive the hell out of this car, and I take turns pretty, you know, hard, so I need it right. See if I can get it up to what my S4 was. But there she is. TicToc.